Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the maximum vehicle speed in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then drag the section at the bottom of the page up to see more functions. And at the account and settings section, click on the settings button. And at the navigation section, click on the speed limit alerts button. And within this section, look for the set maximum vehicle speed button. And first you have to enable this, so just click on the white circle next to it. And this will give alerts when you drive over this speed, which you can set by dragging the white circle back and forth. And you can just set the speed that you want to use with this function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.